Hi, and thank you for finding our channel. My name is Danny, and I am one of the creators of Beyond Lash Supplies. We are located in Alberta, Canada, and we are a little bit different than other lash suppliers that you might have already heard of. We don't carry any tweezers, adhesives, or lash extensions because we have found that there are already a good amount of really great lash suppliers that have really great products. What we wanted to do is offer lash artists with tools that they typically don't get from traditional lash suppliers. We want to supply you with things beyond just basic lash supplies. For example, what kind of products can you use to help brand your business, like our fully customizable lash wands? What can you do to help improve your workflow before, during, and after your appointments? And we want to give you some tricks and tools that you can use to give you that slight edge to set you apart from other lash artists in your area. We want to give you the knowledge and the know-how on how to build a successful lash business and answer questions that may not have been covered in your lash training or things that you have thought of since your lash training. Things like, what are the best products to sterilize my tools? How should I store my sterilized tools? What kind of music should I be playing? Should I have a website, or is Instagram enough when I'm just starting out? What kind of tapes are there, and when should I use each tape? And most importantly, which lash brand is best for me and which lash adhesive works better in the environment that I'm in? These type of questions are the questions that I want to help answer to lash artists that are just starting out or lash artists that have been in the business for some time and need to retweak their business. And those are also the type of products that we're going to be carrying in our shop as well. Things are going to help your business, help with your branding, help with your marketing. The very first thing that we had launched in our store that's geared towards helping other lash artists with their marketing and their branding is our customizable lash wand tubes. You've probably seen these around in Instagram and Facebook, and the reason why they're gaining steam is because these mascara wands, we are handing them out to our clients after every appointment anyways, so we might as well give them a mascara wand that's not going to get damaged, that's not going to get dirty or get dust or get whatever's in the bottom of our purses. The contents on these bristles, they're kept clean and sterile for our clients. Great thing about these lash wands, at least the ones that we produce, is that we're able to completely customize it by adding your logo or your name to the tubes or to the top gem. If that's something that you're not interested in with the customization, we are still able to customize it per color. So if you have a pink scheme or green scheme, a black and white scheme, we're able to have any kind of color scheme that you're already using with these lash wands to keep you on brand. The next thing that we had launched after the lash wands is a customizable under eye sticker. That way you can also put your logo or whatever message you like on it, because we are taking pictures anyways of our clients when they're down on our bed, and when we're taking pictures with their eyes closed, we're able to see, or we're able to show our logo with those under eye stickers. In the future, we're also going to be carrying a full aftercare kit, t-shirts, bags, you name it. All of what we're going to be producing is going to be geared towards lash artists and their marketing and their branding. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions that you would like to have us answer, please write them in the comments below. Or you can send us a message on our Facebook and Instagram pages. If you don't already follow us on Facebook or Instagram, I'll include links to them in the description below. If you would like to keep up to date with all the information that we have on how to grow your lash extension business, please hit subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos.